Look at this, guys. We're driving through a cloud right now. There's literally a cloud just rolling right over the top. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's right there. It's like, kind of looks like foggy or misty. That's it. That was a huge cloud. That is so cool. It's still above us too. The camera is definitely not going to pick it up because it's very faint. But yeah, we're basically riding through a cloud right now, which is pretty cool. I am on cloud 9. All right, no more dad jokes for like the next hour. Hey everybody, and thank you all so much for joining me today. So I just got back to Charlottesville last night from North Carolina, up there doing stuff for work. So hey, Patriots, I like it. So anyways, yeah, I just got back from North Carolina last night, and I was gonna vlog last night, but it was dark, and you know, you guys know how I really don't like vlogging at night, and I really try not to, just because it just doesn't look good. But anyways, so today we're doing a pretty crazy ride. Honestly, it's going to be one of the longest rides. Yeah, definitely one of the longest, like, continuous rides I've ever done on the Ducati. We are going to be going out to Blue Ridge Parkway, going south as usual, but we're going to break off and go through Goshen Pass, and then after Goshen Pass, it's going to go up, like, borderline West Virginia, and then we're going to take 250 all the way back. It's about a 200-mile ride. It's going to take 4.5 hours. That's without stopping, and obviously we're going to be stopping a lot because she's not super comfortable and not a touring bike. Wicked excited about that. Also, I am actually, this morning before we go out on the ride, I'm actually going to check out a storage unit where I'll be keeping the bike while I am away, working out of the country. So we are actually going to check that out right now. So we're going to check this out because I got to make sure that I can fit the bike. The storage unit looks good, should fit the bike, and the very few belongings that I have down here. So we should be golden in that category, and I'll be throwing that thing into storage in a little less than 2 weeks from now. It's going to be a very sad day. I'll make sure that I vlog it, but I might cry. Just a heads up. Since it's still a little bit early and I don't have time, Five Guys is not open this morning, just because it's too early, so I can recover from my hangover. I am, however, going to head over to, there's a Cars and Coffee that's over here somewhere. That's where I do the bike nights, right there, Ben & Jerry's. But, oh, there it is right there. Ducati. I wonder if that's the guy I was talking to last night. It is an 1100, so that might be my buddy. So guys, I messed up. Phone fell out of my pocket, didn't zip it. I mean, I had to be at the meet spot in 30 minutes, so hopefully Verizon can help me out.
Well, I've been better. Yep, I bet so.
Alright guys, so huge shout out to Verizon Wireless in Charlottesville on Ryle Road. Hooked me up with the iPhone 7 Plus. And they had me, I was in there for maybe 20 minutes. Wicked quick, wicked awesome service, wicked nice guys. Wicked. Here's the new phone. It's not even set up yet. But yep, so I got the 7 Plus because I love the size of the Plus. And I don't need a 10. I don't want anything scanning my face. I'm a little paranoid like that. I don't really just need anything fancy. And this one's 128 gig. Which is nice. I had a 64. My last one was my 6 Plus, my 6S Plus, sorry, was a 64. So upgraded to that. Now we just gotta book it back so I can drop the box and everything off, because I don't want that on my 4.5 hour journey. And then we gotta book it down to the meet. And unfortunately, they really couldn't rip anything off my phone. I'm gonna have to take it to a specialist to see if they can recover anything on it, because it's pretty jacked up. I really hope they can, because I don't use iCloud storage or any of that stuff, and I haven't backed up my phone on my computer in ages. So if they can't recover any of that stuff, that's really gonna suck because I have a lot of nice memories that I taken photos of, and a lot of nice photos of my bike and everything like that. It's an $850 mistake that I won't make again, and all I did was I forgot to zip my freaking pocket. For some reason I didn't put it up in my little clamp, my ram mount. For some reason I didn't mount it there. I put it in my pocket, I didn't zip my pocket, and so what essentially happened is I got, like, I don't know, 2 miles down the road from the storage unit place, and it fell out at some point while I was riding, and I made it all the way to Cars and Coffee. I realized I didn't have my phone on me. I borrowed somebody's iPhone to find my iPhone app. I was able to locate it, and it said the phone was still alive. I book it there. I find it on the side of the road, and it's just in half, guys. I'll show you when once we stop and I get a second to breathe. But yeah, the phone was just completely in half, like just gone. It's gone, like not even close. So it sucks because it survived the fall, but it looks like somebody or numerous people ran the thing over, and it was just smoked. The guy at the store was, you know, he was trying not to be mean, but he was kind of laughing. He's like, honestly, that's like the second worst one I've seen. And then he showed me a photo of somebody shot a 22 through one, which was obviously intentional. But so technically mine was the worst phone he's ever seen. It was non-intentional. So there you go. I hold the record for that. So if you guys got a really bad iPhone, really damaged iPhone, take it to Verizon in Charlottesville and see if you can beat my high score. Oh my god, guys. And of course, on the way here, guess what I didn't do? Zip my pocket. Guess what was in my pocket? My wallet. I just did a freaking quarter-mile sprint, get my wallet, come back. Oh my god. And I'm here. I made it. Ooh. I made it. Guys, I am so sorry. So, Mr. Accident Prone with you today. Ducati Kid is not here, just Mr. Accident Prone. So, we all set, ready to rock. I don't know what she's doing. 8, 9. What's up?
You look rough, dog.
Dude, I feel rough. Ducati starts and they all go scattering. And look at, like, this is, don't look at my contact. This is how old my phone is. So I just I backed it up. I haven't backed it up since 2016. That's a very, very, very old photo of my car. All right, guys, we are all ready to rock and roll. So let's do this thing. This is gonna be awesome. So like I was saying earlier, this is actually the largest group that we've ever had. I think ever. Let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bikes. Okay, not a record, but it's pretty close. Once we get off of the Parkway, I'll flip the camera back on and do my blah 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 talking and bore you guys half to death. So we just pulled off the Parkway. We are now on 56 heading west down the mountain, and I've never been on this road before, and wow, is it twisty. Like, holy heck. This is intense. There's a reason why the speed limit is only 20 on it. No guardrails or anything like that, so if you miss a turn, whew, there's a couple just blind corners like this, but they're a lot sharper, and you get halfway around and you're like, oh crap. So excited I get to explore some new roads. You know, if you guys ever have the opportunity to, like, you know, to go out, like, just go explore. Just make a route. Go by yourself, go with other people. Doesn't really much matter. I would have done this route by myself had nobody else showed up. Like, I don't care. Like, I just love going out and exploring and seeing new things, because this is really cool. It's really pretty. I guess where we're going to, Goshen or Goshen, however you pronounce it, it follows along a river, and I guess it's just absolutely beautiful. And you know what's making me sad is that it smells like fall right now. So you know that smell of fall? That's what it is right now. As I was driving back up the other day, you know, once I passed into Virginia and I kind of got within like 30 miles of Charlottesville, like I smelled that smell, the fall smell of the leaves and, you know, everything doing its thing for fall. Oh yeah, that one was a little trippy. Wow. Dude, I hope we have everybody. I hope when we get to the bottom of this, there's nobody missing, and it will be good. I don't feel like fishing someone's bike out of the woods, because we did have that happen. Actually, I had one group ride, and we were on the Parkway, and the guy went straight into the woods. So yeah, he was fine. He rode the bike home, but it's stuff that you really hope that you don't have to see. How do I get a house up here? That's what I want to know. Who do I got to talk to? Very nice. How much? These roads are just gnarly, man. Gnarly, wicked gnarly. I'm like a surfer right now. They're just crazy. We made it. This is Goshen Pass. See, there's the river right there. Look at that. Wow.